Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley on PC. First, acquire the game from a digital store such as Steam or GOG, then install it on your computer. Upon launching, you will create your unique farmer, customizing their appearance and selecting a farm layout. Pay close attention to the initial tutorial quests, as they introduce essential controls for movement, using tools, and managing your inventory. This foundational knowledge is crucial for your journey into Pelican Town. Your daily routine in Stardew Valley revolves around several key activities. Dedicate time to farming by tilling your land, planting seasonal seeds, and watering them every day for a bountiful harvest. Venture into the mines to gather valuable ores and gems, which are vital for crafting and upgrading your tools. Don't forget to cast your line into rivers and the ocean to catch a wide variety of fish. And always forage for wild edibles and chop wood for building materials. As you progress, focus on restoring the Pelican Town Community Center by completing various bundles, which unlocks new areas and benefits. Invest in upgrading your farmhouse to expand your living space and improve your tools for more efficient farming and mining. Building strong relationships with the town's 28 unique villagers through daily conversations and thoughtful gifts can lead to special events and even marriage. Continuously explore new regions as your skills develop. Stardew Valley offers extensive customization options. Personalize your farm layout, decorate your farmhouse, and construct various buildings to suit your style. For a shared experience, invite up to 3 friends to join your farm in cooperative multiplayer mode, working together to achieve your goals. Engage with the vibrant online community for tips, tricks, and fan-made content. If you desire even more variety, explore the thousands of available mods to further enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.